Welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and install Drupal 11 with all the dependencies. So make sure you've got uh, PHP 8.3 and above. If you haven't, go ahead and watch video on my channel how you can upgrade PHP, get MariaDB, also enable these extensions. So PDO for your SQL flavor, OpenSSL, GD, zip. Also set the limit to minimum 256 MB. Get Composer on your system. This is all the requirement that you need. Okay, and then you can go ahead and install your Drupal 11, which was just released. So to install Drupal, you simply go to drupal.org and then hit the download button and then go to download. So just hover over and go to download, and it is recommended to use Composer. So make sure you got Composer create project, Drupal recommended project, and the uh, name of what? The folder that you want to create. So first of all, go to desktop. This is where I am, okay? And let me quickly show you what I've got. So PHP version. I've also got Composer. So Composer version. And then you'll need MariaDB. MariaDB is light and it is easily installed on the system, doesn't require a lot of space. This is why I use MariaDB instead of MySQL. And what else? Composer we have. It's a good idea to have Git installed. So I've got Git, and I also have Node installed. So it may be required later on. Okay. Now what else do I have? Yeah, PHP extensions you can use should definitely have zip, web cache, SQL. If you're going to use MySQL, like SQLite, PDO extension for your flavor of database. So I've got PDO SQL, my OpenSSL. So any extension that is required and you do not have like enabled on your system, so go ahead and enable it in your php.ini file. Now let's go ahead and run the composer command. So I'm going to say d11, and this is going to be on my desktop. So composer create project space Drupal slash recommended project, the folder name. So d11, it's going to be created on my desktop, and this is basically going to do everything for us. So it's going to install required packages, from packages to using Composer, set it up, that means install it, and then we will be able to run the server using this terminal command prompt, and good to go. It takes time, it uses so many packages thanks to Composer, which makes it possible. Extracting archive, HTTP, and we will be able to basically run the server from this command prompt. In the meanwhile, we can get to Drupal home page. You can also see I tried to install it before creating the video, so I've got a note here on my, so this is a quick reference. So we are at this drupal.org. You can watch Dry's note, learn about Drupal 11 and its changes, decoupled, fintech, etc. etc. drives. So learn here. It takes time. Okay, okay, okay. Drupal core. Okay, I see. Drupal core little bit heavier. The future of Drupal and Drupal Starshot. What is that? So look forward in future release of Drupal 11 itself. Okay, the Drupal we are working in here Starshot initiative. Automatic updates. Project browser. I see. So it standing on the shoulders of giants, Twig, Symfony, Composer, PHP Unit, and this is PHP Storm. Extensible and thousands of free add-ons. Contributed modules. Add space is available if you want to. Okay, let's see where we are here. So still a Drupal course. What I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this one because I've got my notes, and I will be available at that download page. So go to Drupal downloads and downloads. Okay, so this core takes time. Okay, Drupal core, and that's all we have. The most heaviest uplift. You need PHP and Composer run these commands, and then we have already set up memory to 256. We just need this one. I'm not going to quick start with demo, the Umami demo. I'll show you how you can run actual installation of Drupal. Sorry if it's taking a bit longer. Maybe I do not have a fast internet. So I'm going to copy it. I want to close this one. I'm running on 5G. Fortunately, right now. Okay, so we are back here. You can see Drupal 11 is installed. It took a bit longer to update, basically. Install Drupal core. You can see and auto load files. So what we are going to do now, we are going to run the installation script. It says congratulations, you have installed Drupal codebase from Drupal recommended project template. And what I'm going to do, you can visit this page which has everything. So now I'm going to cd into, make sure you switched over to this D11 folder that we created, and then get in this. So cd into web, there is another folder inside, and then run the PHP local server and route to this script. Now I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so my server is running at localhost 8000, sorry, triple 4 times 8 888. So localhost 888, that's what I have. And you can see it just trying to load everything up. Yes, here we go. So you can see in the background what's going on here. Yeah, here we go. So go ahead and select your language, save and continue, and install standard. You can go with the minimal Umami, which is a demo project. A lot of developers go with the minimal. So I'll go with the standard one. Okay, verify requirement. It should have everything up and running. So I'm going to use MariaDB. Okay, so to use MariaDB, I will be running this command: MySQL client, asking for a password, create database, D11 created. So database name is D11, username is root. Okay, save and continue. So we do not have any issues, okay, with the requirements. I already had enabled the required packages, GD, zip, OpenSSL, and you also need to have latest version of MySQL or MariaDB, PGSQL, or anything else. Okay, so it's just trying to install 11.0.1. You can see Drupal 11.0.1, and we are almost there. Contextual link, installed field UI module, node module, image module. So it's all being done for us. Composer, and okay, the problem is there is no problem. Okay, 100% installed. We are just going to configure the website. So I'm going to say tube mint, site email is going to be this, username is going to be, I'm going to say tube mint, password is going to be password 123, password 123. So yes, but it is weak. Default time UTC, you can select to your local time. Check for updates, release email notification, receive email notification. Save and continue. Click this button. And we have this amazing Drupal 11, okay? 11.0.1 running on our system, which is operating system by Microsoft. This is 10. It should run on your 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11, and even future releases, as long as you have system requirements for Drupal. Okay, here we are back in the admin. Okay, so this is Drupal 11. Congratulations, you installed Drupal. Okay, so you can have a look at appearance. That will show you all the installed and all the themes basically based. Warning, that's not a problem. You can also go ahead and check the extensions. You can configure your Drupal installation locally. Thank you for your time. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. That was Drupal 11.